Hi, thanks for tuning in. This is Sean from Hanover Homegrown. Today I'm going to show you how to make a garden out of a 5-gallon bucket. Now these gardens are great for growing things like tomatoes, peppers, and potatoes. And they're good for people that live in the city or in an urban setting that don't allow for traditional gardening. Now all you need is your regular 5-gallon bucket. I got one from Home Depot. They're under $5. Now it's very important here though. The one thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you drill some drainage holes in this thing. This is going to allow this to properly drain. If not, the roots can get rotted and things like that. So you're going to want to make sure that you drill a good amount of holes for drainage. Now once you've added a good amount of holes for adequate drainage, it's on to the next step, adding the soil. Now not only are you going to want to make sure that you get a good quality soil, you don't want to cheap out on that, you're also going to want to add in some extra perlite. Now you can get this in usually the indoor gardening section at any Home Depot. And what this is going to do, it's going to improve the drainage. Now this is very important in this scenario because obviously you don't want water collecting and causing damage to the roots, which can happen in this sort of setup. Once you've added the perlite to the soil, you then want to begin scooping in the soil to your 5-gallon bucket. Now in addition to using the high quality soil, I also added some organic earthworm matter as well as some peat moss into the soil. Mix it up really good with the perlite. That is going to go ahead and help feed the plant throughout its growth. So we're going to fill this up almost all the way to the top. And once that's done, I'll be on to the next step. Okay, now that you've filled up your bucket with high quality soil, you're going to want to make a space for your plant. Now I bought a plant that was already grown, got it from Home Depot. I would suggest this. You're always welcome to start from seed, but if you do that, you're going to want to start early. Sometime in February or March, and you're going to have to start indoors, which is a whole nother thing. But I suggest if you're just starting out, buying a plant that's already been starting. Right here we have a big Beef Plus. This is going to be a beautiful plant, produce some nice big juicy tomatoes come summertime. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take the plant out and put it inside the bucket. So we take the plant out. Now you want to do this carefully so you don't damage any of the roots. You're going to put it inside that hole that you dug out. Take a little bit of dirt, some of your soil, fill it on top, and you got it planted. Now there's one more thing to do. You want to take some water, and you're going to want to water this thoroughly. You're going to want to water until you start seeing water coming out of the bottom of the bucket from those holes that you drained. That's how you know that it's adequately watered. You want to continue maintaining this plant from the time you planted it today up until around midsummer. If you continue to take good care of it, you should be blessed with a bountiful crop of beautiful tomatoes. Now, like I said, this method works great for tomatoes, peppers, potatoes, and a variety of other vegetables. We're going to go ahead and continue to post and provide updates throughout the growing season, so you can follow along. If you want to get your own 5-gallon bucket, start it off, and we can compare and see who can grow the largest tomatoes. I'd ask you to please follow us at Hanover Homegrown, like us, share us, comment, all the above. Thank you, God bless, and have a great day.